A short poem before I go. May it stain the past of evilness. May it stay there. May it never come back. Oh, no birds fly over before or after the war, where they built their Nazi evilness in the woods. Wooden prison camps we will never understand. They had thought, strip yourself and your children. They thought they were going to be washed. Oh, no birds fly over the showers they were breathing in, the Nazi evil gas. No birds fly over, whispering of nothing, of their hummings of sweetness. The birds had known. There's many been sent to deaths. No birds fly over. All these years later, no birds fly over. The birds honour. They were brave. When people visit today the evil campsites, no birds fly over for the silent graves